Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to some detailed information about pomegranate. The name pomegranate derives from medieval Latin pomum apple and grānātum seed. It is a shrub or small tree growing 5 to 10 meter high from the ground. Its leaves are opposite or subopposite, glossy, narrow, oblong, entire 3 to 7 centimeter long and 2 centimeter broad. The flowers are bright red and 3 centimeter in diameter. With 3 to 7 petals, pomegranate juice contains more than 100 phytochemicals. The pomegranate fruit has been used for thousands of years as medicine. Benefits of pomegranate. Here are some of the potential benefits of pomegranate. Antioxidants. Pomegranate seeds get their vibrant red hue from polyphenols. These chemicals are powerful antioxidants. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice can help remove free radicals, protect cells from damage, and reduce inflammation. Vitamin C. The juice of a single pomegranate has more than 40% of your daily requirements of vitamin C. Cancer prevention. Pomegranate juice recently made a splash when researchers found that it may help stop the growth of prostate cancer cells. Heart disease. Pomegranate juice is in the running as the most heart healthy juice. It appears to protect the heart and arteries. Blood pressure. Drinking pomegranate juice daily may also help lower systolic blood pressure. Vitamin rich. In addition to vitamin C and vitamin E, pomegranate juice is a good source of folate, potassium, and vitamin K. Memory. Drinking 8 ounces of pomegranate juice a daily may improve learning and memory, accordingly to a recent study. So guys, if you like the video, please comment us and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye guys.